Well, good morning. Timing. How are you? Nice to meet you. Welcome to the world. You're rather beautiful. You look like a male hairy-footed flower bee to me. And it is nearly all the hairy-footed flower bees have gone now. So, fabulous. You may not be. Oh, coming out, darling. Just in case you're worried, I am quite a long way away, people. Just maxing in on the phone. So, solitary bee houses, I don't ever clean it. It's on a south-facing summer house, rigidly fixed. I'm 5'7". It's about that high. Here we go. Time to fledge, darling. Time to fledge. You know you want to. It's all good. I got lots of forage for you. Lots of it. Yay! Well done. Cool.